How many continents are there? It's a question we've all heard in school, and most of us answer without hesitation. Most of us would say 7: Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. These are the names we memorize, the shapes we trace with our fingers on classroom maps. These land masses have shaped our history and our maps. They've defined how we see the world and how we imagine our place within it. But what if our maps are missing something? What if there's an 8th continent, hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean? Its name is Zealandia, a landmass almost entirely lost beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. Unlike mythical lands, Zealandia is a geological reality, a massive piece of Earth's crust that meets every scientific requirement for a continent. It's not a legend or a fantasy, but a real place, with its own unique geology and history. For millions of years, it's been almost entirely submerged, its story hidden beneath the waves. Only a few peaks, like New Zealand, rise above the surface to hint at the vast land below. Its discovery challenges what we thought we knew about our planet. It reminds us that Earth is still full of surprises, even in the age of modern science. Zealandia's existence wasn't uncovered by legends, but by decades of scientific investigation, by geologists and cartographers mapping the ocean floor, piecing together clues from rocks, sediments, and satellite data. They found the outline of a landmass so vast it could only be a continent in its own right. Its size rivals that of India, stretching over 5 million square kilometers. Now, we must redraw our mental maps and make room for Zealandia. It's a reminder that our understanding of the world is always evolving. Its story is a testament to the ever-changing nature of Earth. Continents drift, oceans rise and fall, and new discoveries await beneath the surface. Even in the age of satellites, our world still holds profound mysteries. There are still places left to explore, and secrets waiting to be revealed. Let's begin a journey to this hidden realm, to explore the 8th continent, and the incredible story of its disappearance and rediscovery. Welcome to Zealandia, a world beyond our maps, and a new chapter in Earth's unfolding story. Zealandia, or Terua Maui, is a vast expanse of continental crust, thick, buoyant, and massive. It's a landmass that has long been hidden from view, shrouded beneath the rolling waves of the Pacific, and only recently recognized for its true scale and significance. It covers nearly 5 million square kilometers, more than half the size of Australia. This makes Zealandia the world's largest current hidden continent, dwarfing many countries and even some continents in sheer area. Yet, 94% of it is submerged beneath the southwest Pacific Ocean, making it almost invisible to the naked eye. Unlike other continents, Zealandia is defined by its watery cloak. Its boundaries are not marked by coastlines, but by the deep blue of the ocean. Its true form is only visible through sonar mapping and satellite data, which reveal the contours of a continent lost beneath the sea. Imagine a landmass larger than India, now drowned so that only its highest peaks remain above water. These peaks form the islands we know today, like New Zealand and New Caledonia. Zealandia has mountains, valleys, plateaus, and ridges, features now hidden on the seabed, home to unique deep-sea ecosystems. These underwater landscapes are teeming with life found nowhere else on Earth. Its shape stretches from New Caledonia in the north to New Zealand's subantarctic islands in the south, spanning a vast distance across the ocean. To be a continent, a landmass must have high elevation, diverse rock types, and thick crust, criteria that Zealandia meets with ease. Zealandia meets all these criteria. Its rocks tell a story of ancient mountains, volcanic eruptions, and shifting tectonic plates. Its crust averages 20 kilometers thick, far more than the oceanic crust nearby, which is typically only about 7 kilometers thick. By every scientific measure, it is a true continent. Its discovery has challenged our understanding of what makes a continent and how they are defined. It's simply a continent that sank, its fate sealed by powerful geological forces millions of years ago. Zealandia is a world we're only beginning to understand. Each new expedition uncovers more about its mysterious past and vibrant present. Its story is one of survival beneath the sea, where life has adapted to darkness, pressure, and isolation. And its discovery is changing how we see our planet, reminding us that Earth still holds secrets waiting to be revealed. Let's look at the part of Zealandia we can actually see, the peaks that rise above the waves, offering a glimpse into the hidden continent below. Most of Zealandia lies underwater, but a small part breaks the surface. The most famous peaks are New Zealand's North and South Islands, actually the highest mountains of a submerged continent. When you stand in New Zealand, you're standing on Zealandia. New Caledonia and the sub-Antarctic islands are also exposed peaks of this hidden land. These islands make up just 6% of Zealandia's area, but they're crucial for geologists. The rocks and unique wildlife here tell the story of a once vast land mass, now mostly lost to the sea. These islands are living windows into Zealandia's ancient world. But how did this continent come to be? To answer that, we need to go back in time. Zealandia's story begins hundreds of millions of years ago, deep within the supercontinent Rodinia. Over time, Rodinia broke apart, and its fragments formed Gondwana, a southern supercontinent that included South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, and the future Zealandia. Along Gondwana's edge, volcanic activity and geological turmoil built the foundations of Zealandia. Ancient granites, volcanic rocks, and sedimentary layers found in New Zealand and New Caledonia tell this story. For over 400 million years, Zealandia was part of Gondwana, sharing its climate, plants, and animals. Dinosaurs once roamed freely across this connected world, but plate tectonics are relentless. Heat and pressure began to stretch and weaken the supercontinent. The stage was set for Zealandia's dramatic separation. The next chapter would see Zealandia break away and drift into isolation. Let's see how that happened. Around 180 million years ago, the vast supercontinent of Gondwana began to fracture, setting in motion a dramatic transformation of the planet's surface. Africa and South America split apart, drifting slowly in opposite directions. On the eastern edge of Gondwana, a lesser-known landmass, Zealandia, started to feel the immense geological strain of these shifting plates. Deep beneath the surface, hot plumes of molten rock surged upward, stretching and thinning the ancient crust, while volcanic activity reshaped the landscape above. Roughly 85 million years ago, Zealandia began to break away from both Australia and Antarctica, embarking on its own journey across the planet's surface. As the Tasman Sea opened up, Zealandia drifted further and further away, eventually becoming an isolated, continent-sized island, surrounded by vast ocean. But this slow drifting came at a significant cost, altering Zealandia's fate forever. As Zealandia was pulled apart by powerful tectonic forces, its crust thinned dramatically, down to just 20 kilometers in many places, much thinner than most continents. This thinner crust meant less buoyancy, and over millions of years, Zealandia began to sink, gradually slipping beneath the surface of the ocean. The once high plains and rugged mountains were transformed into low-lying land, increasingly vulnerable to the relentless encroachment of the sea. The stage was set for Zealandia's slow disappearance beneath the waves, as rising sea levels and geological changes sealed its fate. But why did Zealandia sink so completely, unlike other continents that remained above water? The answer lies in the powerful geological forces that continued to shape and reshape Zealandia long after it split from Gondwana. Let's dive deeper and explore the remarkable story of why Zealandia vanished beneath the ocean's surface. After breaking from Gondwana, Zealandia was a vast forested land, but its thinned crust sealed its fate. As the Tasman Sea's crust cooled and became denser, Zealandia's edges also sank. This process, called thermal subsidence, caused the entire continent to slowly descend. Rising sea levels accelerated the drowning. By 25 million years ago, most of Zealandia was underwater. Only the highest peaks remained as islands. This drowning reshaped life. Many species vanished, while survivors adapted to isolated islands. Today, New Zealand's unique wildlife is a legacy of this isolation. The story didn't end there. Tectonic forces continue to shape Zealandia. The collision of the Pacific and Australian plates has pushed up the southern Alps, showing Zealandia is still geologically active. For millions of years, Zealandia was hidden. But how did we finally discover it? Let's follow the trail of discovery. For centuries, no one knew a continent lay beneath the waves. Early explorers like Abel Tasman and James Cook mapped only the islands, unaware of the vast land below. In the 20th century, geologists noticed New Zealand's rocks were continental, not oceanic. They also found a huge, shallow submarine platform around the islands. In 1995, geophysicist Bruce Luyendijk named this hidden land Zealandia. The breakthrough came with satellite mapping and deep-sea exploration. Gravity maps revealed a thick, less dense crust, clear evidence of a continent. Research ships mapped the seabed and drilled for rock samples, confirming Zealandia's continental nature. The puzzle pieces fit, a lost, drowned world was revealed. But was it truly a continent? The final proof would come from a landmark scientific study. Let's see how Zealandia earned its place on the map. In 2017, geologists published the definitive case for Zealandia as a continent. They showed it met all 4 criteria: elevation, geology, crustal thickness, and size. Zealandia is a distinct plateau, with thick, diverse continental rocks, and an area of nearly 5 million square kilometers. The scientific community was convinced. The discovery made headlines worldwide, updating our understanding of Earth's continents. It was a victory for curiosity and persistence. Different branches of science worked together to reveal a secret hidden for millions of years. The maps in our textbooks were officially out of date, but Zealandia's story is more than a scientific triumph. It's a reminder of our planet's enduring mysteries. Zealandia's discovery is more than a curiosity. It's a window into Earth's dynamic history. It helps scientists study how continents break apart and oceans form. Its rocks and fossils are a pristine archive of ancient climates and life. Zealandia also has geopolitical significance. New Zealand has used its existence to extend territorial claims over the seabed, but the real legacy is the sense of wonder it inspires. Even today, our planet holds secrets waiting to be found. Zealandia reminds us that the world, beneath the oceans, is the last great frontier. It's a symbol of the mysteries still hidden on Earth. The story of the lost 8th continent is a testament to curiosity and discovery. For those willing to look, there are always new worlds to find. The adventure of exploration is far from over.